In today's video, we're going to show you how you can do an Airtable to Airtable sync using the Byteline console. We've created a scenario here where we're a marketing agency and we've got a client where we want to update them on the status of our projects. So we've created an Airtable base here, and we've also created one for ABC Company. So let's go through the columns here. We've got the name of the project, name of our client, the status, kickoff date, due date, profit from each of these projects, relevant attachments, and then the last modified date. The information that we're going to want to give to ABC Company is the name of the project, the status of that project, what the kickoff date was, and then the due date. Everything else they probably don't need to know about. So let's go ahead and start configuring our sync. I've already established connections with the Airtable bases to the Byteline console, so now I can just start configuring the sync. I'm going to start with our internal tracker here. And then on the other side of the sync, I'm going to select the ABC Company. And we're just doing the projects to marketing projects. So now let's configure our fields. I'd prefer to go in order, and these are going to match up based on the names. So let's go with name, status, kickoff date, due date, and we don't need attachments. I want to use the name of the project as the unique key. I can go ahead and save this. And there shouldn't be any updates that need to happen. So I can go ahead and start this sync. So we can see that this is live. And let's go ahead and change planning from planning to execution, just to test out how this is working. So one important note, apps are generally instantaneous, but Airtable is rather unique in that it can take up to 5 minutes for a record to be updated. So if you look at the change history here, we can go ahead and get greater detail here. We can see that the status changed from planning to execution. And we can go ahead and check over at ABC Company and see that it was changed to execution for the new homepage. So as I make updates from the internal tracker Airtable base, all that will flow into the ABC Company Airtable base based on the columns that I selected to be either changed, added, or deleted. Please let us know if you have any questions.